Hello all, this is Shivangi, Director and Co-founder of Digital Solution. Today I'm going to talk about how you can boost your product apart from PPC campaign. So to discuss about this, we do have Sakshi with us. I'll introduce Sakshi with you. But before starting this video, I would request you to please subscribe this channel and like this video. So Sakshi is our Global Operations Manager. She is expert in PPC campaign and other tactics that she used to do to boost the sale. Hello Sakshi.
Hello Shivangi ma'am, thank you for introducing me. So in today's video, we will talk about the advertisement tool we use to boost our sale and boost the visibility of our products. So we all are very well aware about the role of advertising on Amazon to boost the visibility and sales of our products. Except PPC, there are many other tools which can be used by us to boost the sales. They include deals, promotions, coupons, and Prime exclusive discount.
Sounds good. So Sakshi, could you please tell me do you use this kind of tools or what traction or what kind of results you see after applying this kind of deals, coupons and promotion?
Yes, definitely. We do these all these tools in most of our accounts. So as you are very well aware about the brands we have worked with like Mother's Choice, Turbo Forte, Magic Gel, etc. So we have used these tactics on those accounts also to boost the visibility and indirectly the sales of the products. Okay, so let me start with the deals. Deals are a time-bound professional offer where item is featured for a particular period of time. It includes a period of 7 days in which for a particular amount of hours the deals will run, and the Amazon will directly advertise your product on Amazon's buyer portal.
Sounds good, wow.
Okay, so featuring deals can help us in increase the sales and will definitely help us to boost the visibility of our products and help to create a different market image for our account.
So Sakshi, I'm having a doubt. You work for Amazon.ae, you work for Amazon.com, .co.uk. So on which platform deals are more effective? As we all know, Amazon.ae is a growing market, but Amazon.com is well-established market. So, do you really feel deals work differently on different marketplaces?
Yes, there are fluctuation in the data, but we can say deals can work well in all the marketplaces.
Okay, sounds good. So, Sakshi, there should be a particular way or there should be a right way to create a deal, right?
Yes, definitely. There are some products which are recommended by Amazon itself. They are the only eligible products. Amazon have its own AI through which they recommend us some products from our inventory list, and we can create deals for only those products.
Okay, so if as Sakshi explained us what is deal, so if you are facing any kind of trouble or if you are trying to create a deal and you are not able to do that, so you can contact us and we are here to help you in creating deals, coupons, and there are many things as Sakshi told us. So Sakshi, apart from deal, what tactics do you use to boost the sale apart from PPC campaign?
Okay, apart from deal, I will say that Prime exclusive discount is the most popular nowadays.
Okay.
As Prime users are growing day by day,
yes,
people are shifting from normal Amazon account to Prime Amazon account. So Amazon have a different platform and advantages from its Prime customers, and in Prime exclusive discount there are some percentage discount we can add on our products, which will be only for specially for Prime users only.
Yes, actually, see, there are many benefits of taking Prime. Like you can see Prime videos, you can get the product sooner in comparison to non-Prime. So obviously, if we are providing discount to their Prime members, so it will give us a lot of benefits, I believe.
Yes, and the Prime users will also be attracted to get Prime more.
Yeah, it's a special treatment.
Yes.
Perfect. So apart from Prime exclusive discount deals, do you have any idea you would like to share with I would say the beginners, those who don't know how to run this kind of activities, those who don't know how to boost the sale apart from PPC campaign? Because I know people burn money like anything in PPC campaign. They believe they if they put heavy money in PPC campaign, they'll get the sale, right? So it was really helpful, Sakshi. Thank you so much for showcasing the things with the beginners and some brands, how they can save their money by doing this kind of tactics. So Prime exclusive discount is good, deals is good. Anything else apart from this?
Yes, apart from these, coupons are available,
Okay.
which we can share it with our existing customers or the
Okay.
new customers.
Okay.
They will. For coupons, we just have to create some coupons of a particular percentage. It depends on us,
Okay.
and we can share the coupons with our existing customers or new customers so that they can redeem it and get some discount. Or the customers, if we give special treatment to customers, they definitely share. They do a good word of mouth to their relatives or friends. So that will definitely help us to grow our business on Amazon Seller Central.
Sounds good. Sounds good. Thank you so much, Sakshi. It was really helpful. I was also not aware of this kind of things. So thank you so much for letting us know. So if you have any doubt regarding how to run the coupons, deals, a Prime exclusive discount, and how you can save money in PPC campaign, to know more about these kind of things, you can drop us an email. My email ID and Sakshi's email ID mentioned in the description box. And also you can visit our websites. The link is also mentioned in the description box. Also you can share this video with your colleagues, your friends, family members, and also the entrepreneurs, those who want to get on Amazon. So thank you so much.